today we're going to the track with the brain with our GT40 ported heads by David, the POAHTED POWAH heads. We also have not one, but two Zeus hand grenades. You know what a Zeus hand grenade is? It's lightning in a can. So you just pop it, chug it, you are instantly a grenade, a lightning grenade. You're a lightning bolt, literally a living lightning bolt. So we're taking the brain. We got us a couple Mountain Dews if we don't drop them off the car. And the weather's pretty good. They had an event yesterday, a racing event, so we're hoping the track's good. I think Brad's gonna be there in Dark Horse. And I think Big Block Kyle's gonna be there. Kevin's gonna be there, I think. Pirate's out of town, and David's busy working on his cars. But while I've got you guys' attention, your undivided attention, and you already know pretty much maybe what happened by the intro, so good or bad, we don't know. We got a box in the mail. I know you guys don't care sometimes, unless you're the guy that sent it, I guess. But this is from one of our loyal subscribers, Kentucky Chris. You guys may hear me mention him nearly every time I'm working on a T5. Well, that's because he sends us these totally awesome cluster supports, his custom ones, and we like using them. So what do we got in here? Actually, he sent me some. He sent me something else too. I don't know what's in that box. This is. I think this is some. Oh yeah, some polyurethane suspension bushings. I think they're rear control arm bushings. They look like it. And he wasn't going to use. Thought maybe someone in the crew could use. And we actually might have a place for these. That's actually kind of fortuitous. Based on some stuff we're working on. Man, what is this? It must be the same stuff. It's in a, this is like a women's shoebox, Chris. Come on, bro. Holy mackerel. What the hell? Got all kinds of stuff. Oh, these must be bolts. Sorry, I know I'm making a mess of this video. These must be bolts. If I could ever figure it, it must be idiot proof too, because I can't open it. Oh, here it is. Hold on guys, oh God, I feel like I'm fixing to make a mess. These are some kind of bolts. I don't want to open this because it'll ruin me. But we got, wow. 1, 2, and we got 3 cluster supports. You kidding me? Woo, no, 4. Damn, I can't count either. We're rich, guys. We're rich. What can I say? Chris, thanks. We're gonna put these to good use. I know I'm going to need 1 or 2 because we got stuff going on. So, but that's awesome. I should be good now. I mean, at some point in time, I'm going to run out of cars. But that's awesome. And we got all kinds of suspension bushings in here. So, oh no, there's 5. Holy crap, he stacked these things in. Who knew a women's shoebox could hold so much? 5, dude. Chris, I'm good. Thank you again. Thank you so much for the support of the channel. I mean, seriously, that saves me a lot of money. Not having to buy those. That's a big cost savings for me. So I certainly appreciate it. Helps push our projects a little further along, and you know, we're using them, and I feel better having a Kentucky Chris cluster support in my T5. How about that? That's an endorsement. So I guess that's it. Sorry, I know it's a lot of talking. Sorry, a lot of talking. But when someone sends us something, you know, you know, I want them. They went out of their way to spend their time, their money that they could be using on their projects or their lives to send us something. And it's always a humbling experience for someone to do that. I mean, I would never ask anybody to send us anything because, like I've said before, everyone struggles on some level to get their projects done. It's just the way it is. So I'd rather you guys, you know, put your money and your time into your own projects, but I will certainly appreciate anything that is smuggled my way. So, all right, well, Cool. And speaking of that, we got a Kentucky Chris cluster support in this T5, as you guys well know. So, all right, we're going to go rock it out today. So, all right, let me get everything loaded up. We got to go. We are running late as it is. Take my knife and let's go.
At 96.6, 145. Woo! Rain, my boy, doing some work now. Yeah. Dang. Nice job, buddy. All right. You're making me feel good. You're lifting my spirits. That's number 2. I was wondering, what's this? Honestly, I thought that was a pattern on the shirt. Like, it was just some kind of pattern, but you literally pissed yourself when you saw the brain.
Yeah, basically.
When it took off, the excitement, the drool, you just salivated all over yourself. This hasn't happened since 1999 on the set of McNugget Does McDonald's. We won't talk about that film. There was only 18 copies made, only 2 distributed. I have a copy, autographed, of course. So everything is better with chicken nuggets. I like how they avoided any trademark infringement.
Yeah.
So, all right, cool. Look at this. Brad, he can't grow on top of his head, but dude, he can grow it all everywhere else. Everywhere. Look, good. Hey, don't make me put that bear picture up there again. Look at this. You're making me jealous, Burt Reynolds. You're making me jealous. Look, and there's the key to it right there. Natural oats and honey. Look at that. What'd you run?
41. So I spun the first time.
Yeah.
And it was 55, 194.60.
Yeah,
Bogged the second time. 83 on the 60, 841, 81.79. So I picked up a little mile an hour.
There you go. Come on. What did I seen Kyle win a 94?
We went to 84 the second time.
Oh, the 84 on the second one. I saw the 94 on the first one.
94, then 86.
86. He went from 410 to 48.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See,
He likes shifting. He's trying to get in overdrive.
Yeah.
First guy to get in the 5th and the 8th out of the group. Go right for it.
Yeah.
You got that X cam.
Yeah, right.
Hey, people say you twist a cam to a moon. You got an X, you go to Saturn,
Yeah.
where the rings are. Hell,
Slingshot.
you just slingshot.
Slingshot.
The moon, that's
It's like interstellar stuff.
that's
right there.
I mean, the moon. Who goes? You can see the moon. We go somewhere you can't see. See what I'm saying? We got the X.
Yeah.
You twist it to the rod's beg.
There you go.
For mercy.
Hey, is it just me or does this dude look like Doc from Street Outlaws?
A little bit. A little bit, don't he?
Doc.
That's that cat I just did that gear for.
Did the gear in that Coyote truck.
Yeah.
Is that the same guy that bounced through the burnout box a couple weeks ago?
I don't know, maybe.
He went, wow, he started doing his burnout before the box.
Oh, no.
Hey, that's legit, bro.
Hey, let it rip.
He did stop for the tree. He didn't just keep going.
Yeah. I don't know. I've been out of the game.
You've been out of the game, yeah. Well, you have missed a few
Yeah, I know it.
making them pennies,
Yeah.
doing that side work.
That's how I got to afford to fix
Hey,
the old
hey,
gas.
hookers and blow is not cheap, folks. Not cheap at all.
It's a rough Saturday night.
It's a rough Saturday night. Bad news is I do all my side work on Sundays. After I'm done banging the skins, get my repentance.
Yeah.
Yeah, repenting.
Yeah.
Yeah. He wonders why he's on the drums. No one's around. He don't want that lightning bolt to come in there.
Yeah.
Gotta strike a heathen if he has to.
He's got that cage around it.
You know, Faraday cage.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta get a heathen every now and then just to keep everyone on their toes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
He'll strike them down. He's scared.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Man. Yeah.
Well, yeah. I always make sure I'm grounded when I'm around you.
Uh,
So anyway,
keep
all
your
right.
T-tops in.
Yeah, keep. All right. Well, I guess we're just waiting on them to scrape the track for some cool cars.
They're doing it for me.
Oh, you fixing the McNugget?
Yeah.
How many gears did you miss on your cold trickle passes? I wasn't here. I was running late as always.
Damn near every one of them.
Kevin didn't even flinch.
Yeah.
That's a combat veteran right there. He didn't even. He just looked around like, "Am I needed? Do they need me?"
Yeah, right. Huh? Who called my name?
Well, when you've had a few nitrous backfires like that yourself, you get used to it, right?
Combat veteran. Look at this. What is that?
I made a donation.
Oh, I was wondering what they were
Oh, I was
talking
fixing to
about.
say that's not off my car, is it? Because I lost one before.
That's the tail
That's
light.
why this one's taped up. Remember, you were looking at it a few minutes ago.
That's
Yeah,
the tail
there
light
you
I got
go.
from here.
Oh, damn.
Hey, I did that with the front one a while back.
Yeah. That's why I
went
got
down there
now.
to pick up my ticket, and she goes, "Hey, you left something on the track." I said, "What?" She said, "A piece of the tail light."
This is yeah. I got some
the
duct
whole
tape, I
tail
think, in
light.
there.
I heard them say they were going down there to get something. I'm like, what the heck?
I said, "Where'd it fall off?" Hit between the 60 and the 330.
Nice. Yeah. I didn't even see it come off.
notice it.
I didn't either. I'm lucky I didn't run it over. Well,
I'm about to look
what
back
lane
at
were
the
you?
video
Yeah.
of the-
I was on the left.
Oh, yeah. You're lucky I didn't run it over. I probably did a wheelie over it, so it's cool.
You went before me that time.
Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. That's why it fell
let you
off.
come around us.
That's why it fell off.
Yeah,
You still getting some of that vapor trail
Yeah, that's exactly
off the brain. So that little bit of that residual,
Lack of oxygen.
that little residual,
So he picked
you know.
up a 10. He picked up a 10 going after the brakes.
Damn, he'll be following me everywhere I go now.
Left the
That's fuel enrichment.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, man. I can't afford the seamstress. My coattails is getting ripped up, bro. I'm getting killed on seamstress bills. So, all right, we gotta go now.
You got right lane?
Yep. Oh well. We're racing this little red truck and little S10. It's got a stick in it, so it's cool. Probably left a little too low. That's going to be a high 7. Oh, a teen. Probably a teen. Thank you. .707, 96.1, 146.
All right, come on. We need a 6. We need a 6. 6. We don't know who this guy is. So don't ask about his car, because we don't know. Except for there's fuel injected. Yeah, mate. 20? No, 832.
Some McWiggles. What you doing, McWiggles? Dude, Kyle's fixing to crawl right up in bed and take a nap with you. Huh? Go easy on him, Kyle. You gonna make him lick the pork chop pan when you get done with him, right?
I didn't bring it with me.
Didn't bring him with you. Damn it. Here we go. Get some. Crew chief Brad over there. Get them, Kyle. F'N Kyle. Versus Kyle done lost the taillight on his car. He's launching it so hard. Kyle ran in like a truck. That's a pretty good run. Oh! 49 and 90.9. That's what I'm talking about. My boy getting his work done. He put his work clothes on today.
Yeah.
Dang! Kyle took a short turn of shame.
He missed the gear.
Oh, damn it. Dang. McNugg's 49. Sweet. Yeah, that's a good run. It looked solid when he left. I was like, oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I want to see a 60 foot on that one.
I was about to say it
Because
sounded good.
he struggled with the 60s or whatever. It's like
Yeah.
159 best. So.
Yeah. See if
All
this
right,
truck
cool.
goes here.
He'll come back around, hot lap it, capitalize.
Yeah, he's seen that 49.
Yeah. When you say, whoa,
Yeah.
it gets better on the hot lap, right? What's up, killer? 49. 749. What was the 60 foot?
I don't know. You gonna tell him I'm running on the same side?
Okay.
Hey, it's worth a shot. I said it's worth a shot.
You guys gonna run
Your
again?
hand slipped off the shifter.
Damn
Oh,
it.
really?
You guys gonna run again?
Man.
Huh?
You guys gonna run again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll tell them.
Yeah, I see why you wipe your hand off now.
Oh gosh,
Yeah.
yes, I can.
My hand went right off.
Not only the
shifter,
hand, I
that's
wiped the
there.
knob off too.
Yeah.
You get all of it.
Especially on hot days.
150. What?
150 flat.
Damn, I told you. All right, we gotta go. Fixing the race. Here we go, trying to back that number up. 51 at 90.6. McNugget is overheating. What's going on, McNugget?
There was water pouring out of it.
What'd you do to it?
Done blew a hose, looks like.
Looks like you done blew a hose.
Yeah, Volkswagen's a little
What'd you,
bit.
damn,
Yeah.
son. What you doing, McNugget?
Is it a radiator or is it a hose?
I don't know.
Weird.
Weird.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Probably a 710. Drive it a little bit there at the strike. Hey, no staging with the back tires. Back it up. John Ford. I guess he missed a gear. We are headed out under our own power to Whataburger. While we are under our own power, we are slightly wounded. But, you know, I can't complain. I mean, I could, but that just ain't nice, so I'm not going to complain. Brain did a good job for me. Personal best, and ran a bunch of 7.0s, so I'm cool with that. We'll just get them fixed and get them back up here again and start wearing it out. Try for that 6. We get the right weather, we're close enough. I think we'll do it. So we'll see you guys at the blah, blah, blah. No, I thought about this on the way here because we're at Whataburger. This is literally the first time, I think, that every single person that actually made a pass, Shannon wasn't there to race, and the Wago clone didn't make a pass, but the 4 people that actually made passes all ran personal best.
I think so.
You ran a personal best in Dark Horse. You ran a personal best.
Yeah, Kyle ran his best.
I ran a personal best. And Eric ran a personal best. I don't think that's ever happened. Where everyone at the table that made a pass ran a PB.
There you go.
And Jay.
Celebration. Cheers.
And then what happened, Eric? Tell us about the LTD life. How's that working out for you?
Not so good.
What happened? Where did you have these mechanical issues at?
Oh, just right leaving the track.
Just leaving the track. Imagine that.
Get on the Highway 90.
Didn't even get on Highway 90. Man, oh man. Well, if anyone has an LTD for sale, we got some guys that would love to get in on that life.
Yeah.
Brad, you want to get in on the LTD life?
I thought about it. 4 doors.
Don't think too hard. It's a short thought. No, I'm out.
Yeah.
Shannon, he's in the Toyota life now. Yeah, he's got a Lotus-headed He was a lot of technical jargon that was going on there. And Kevin is not in the LTD life at all. So, all right. Well, we already ate. You guys, Kevin was bragging about his Chevy pulled 2 Fords.
Well,
Dang
and
it.
of course, you didn't bother to video that.
No, well, I was here waiting on you. I was the lead dog, lead pack dog. I was heading out, bro.
Yeah, he said he was sorry he let you lead.
Yeah, my 5-speed / 4-speed.
Yeah.
So,
We were too busy being the Three Stooges, locking ourselves out of running cars and stuff.
What do you have to say about that?
I have no defense. It happens. Hey, in an emergency situation, I just bailed out.
That's right.
I didn't matter.
It was coming to save me.
Yeah, just come to save my dad. Dad! So, all right, I can't have my older brother in charge of the donut shop. Dad, not yet. Yeah. All right, so
Luckily, it's a Honda, so it could have idled all night long and still not.
That's
run
true.
out of gas.
Yeah, not overheated, not run out of gas. It might have more gas in it in the morning. Oh, look at all this. Oh, all this goodness.
Got a little carried away.
Got lots of.
That's y'all's. Oh, is that his?
Spicy ketchup.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Here we go. We're out. Brad, you better get that away from Brad. He only had a double.
No, I told you, I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go. I promise. Yes, you can do it. You can ride a bike. I promise. I promise. I'm not gonna let go. Here we go. Look. You're doing it. You're doing it, Water Kid. You're doing it. There you go. There you go. Oh shit. Oh God, that's epically terrible, but damn, wait till I edit it. It's not gonna get any better. All right, it's blah 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 time. We went to the track. We took the brain. Let's start out real quick. Everyone ran personal best. You guys know that from the Whataburger video coverage stuff. So Kyle went a 774 or something like that. Eric went 960 something. McNuggets went 749. Getting closer, getting so much closer. Improvement every time. I love it. Brad went an 824 in Dark Horse. You know, hey, that's respectable for that car. That motor's, it's got some smoky, but I've got some smoky ones too, so I guess that just means it broke in. And the brain went a personal best as well. So I guess the weather was okay. It was warmer than I thought it was going to be, but the DA was still good, but it wasn't that killer air we need. But we were pretty consistent. We have not pulled the transmission yet, so we don't actually know what's broke, but we did drive it all the way home, and you know, no issues. Just no fourth gear either. So we'll pull that out at some point and take a look at it. As usual, we've got a lot of different stuff going on. It's, you know, 1 step forward, 2 steps back kind of a thing, but I was pleased. I think that there is a high 6 in it with the right weather and track. David, of course, wants to put a tune in it. You know, we want to get the chip on it and see if we can get a little something else out of it. But, you know, I am pretty pleased with how the car performed. It was pretty consistent, and that's always great. So what do you think? He's still mad. I mean, it's not my fault you can't ride a damn bike. I showed you everything I knew. I was a freaking stunt double on Rad, bro. Whatever. He's just sulking. So anyway, let's take a look at time slips. We'll be right back. All right, Snickerdoodles. This is what we did on our very first pass. Here's the numbers: 147, spun, 706, and 9602. Those are all really good numbers considering what we'd previously done. We hot lapped it and swapped lanes, and our best 60 foot of the day, 705, and the mile an hour crept up a little bit. So I was, at this point, I was already very happy. So
Then we let it rest for a minute, and we brought it around, and it hooked a little bit, and the 60 foot, still not bad, 707 mile an hour's low. Then we didn't do a whole lot better. That was it. The clutch really got it, and it was 150, 707, 96.7. Then we let it rest again, and we brought it around and went 705 at 96.7 with a 148. We left on the fuel limiter, which it spun a bunch, so we backed it back down, came back around, and this was our money shot right here, the 146 at 701 at 96.9, almost 97 miles an hour. And then we came back around again, and we ran a 147, and as you look at the 330 numbers, you can kind of see what kind of pass we were on if you look back at these and then look back over here, a 450. So we were on a 70, you know, like a 5 or a 6 or a 7 pass, and then we broke fourth gear. The clutch was also slipping a little bit on the gear changes, so you know, we'll fix it, and then I think I'm gonna just try and drive it around because it may have just been a little hot. I'm not 100% sure because it just kind of came out of nowhere. But that's what we made. 6 good licks, very happy with those, and 1 breakage pass, but hey, it was on another 7.0 pass, and I just, honestly, I cannot complain about that because just the consistency, I'm very happy with that. Our lowest mile an hour was the 96.02, and our highest was the 96.9, so everything else is in between. And we also raced Brad on some of these passes, so if you go back and look, he's number 14, so, oh, they swapped the number around. That is not me, and that is not Brad. But we raced Brad on a few of those passes and just messing around. So anyway, that's it. Let's get back to the blah, blah, blah.
Okay. I'm going to be honest, guys. I haven't even moved from this spot. I will film that after I get done. So I'm showing you all the tricks, all the YouTube tricks, how to make your videos completely substandard. But 7.0s, the 60 foots were all pretty good. None of those 60 foots were personal best for the car, but I'm still pleased with them. And, you know, I have to be perfectly honest, I'm pleased with the transmission. I mean, I know you're like, well, oh God, you get so upset about certain cars, and then there's other cars that something breaks, I'm like, you know, hey, no big deal. Because that car has earned the leniency that some of these other cars, LTD, haven't earned. So that's why they get kind of a free pass on stuff. So, but the transmission, we got 6 good passes, and it could be, you know, I say that because that input was in super secret, and we made quite a few passes on that transmission as well. I say quite a few. We made some passes on it. So until I actually pull it out and know exactly what's wrong, I don't want to speculate and say, oh, this or that, but who knows. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up. This video is already kind of long. We had a really good time. It was a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for subscribing. Goodness gracious, we need those subscriptions. And thanks for commenting. Even though I have been very lax in answering them, I apologize for that. I always in my head, I'm like, I'm going to get back and do that. So, and especially thanks for, oh, I don't have my glasses. Thanks for watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader, lover of 4 eyes, Lincolns, POS Mustangs, drag vans, 5.8s, convertibles, LTDs, bicycles and what-a-kids, and foxes of all shapes, colors, sizes, denominations, religious beliefs, and of scientific value. We'll see you guys in the next vid. You want to try again?